Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to disassemble the Mamaroo swing. So I've been using this for several years. I like to take it apart between kids and store it in the closet. And the easiest way to do that is first we're just going to take this top piece. This is the little mobile. Turn it 90 degrees and then just take it out. And then there's little clasps, there's little snaps at the top and bottom here. I already took the top off so I can show you. Just unsnap these. This is the cover on the swing. We're going to do that at the top. Unsnap the bottom as well, so that's off on the top and bottom now. And then it's very easy, the harness will come through the middle here. So you can see these little straps will be coming through. We're just going to push these back through the cover there so that we've got the top and bottom unclasped. We don't have any straps coming out of the little holes here. We push them back through. They're just going to hang down here now. And then the next step is there's these zippers on the sides here. So we're just going to unzip up the side on both of these, and that's going to allow us to take this cover off. And you can actually do that to clean it if you need to, if something gets spilled on it. And then this comes off. So that's the first step, just taking those pieces off. Now we're going to go ahead and disassemble the structure. So this is where it gets marginally trickier, but still, nothing too serious. So there's, we're going to look at the top of the unit here. You can see there's these little holes. It's a little hard to see, but they're actually labeled with letters. And we're going to take a small item. They recommend using the little plug that you would use to connect your headphones into the Mamaroo, but you can use any. I lost that a long time ago. You can use any of these little headphone plugs, or you could probably use the end of a pen, and you're just going to push it into the hole here to open the snap, and then as you're pushing that in, pull the side out here. And I'll pause for a sec so I can do this with two hands. Okay, so I loosened it. Now just give this a solid pull. This will come out, and we're going to repeat that on the side here, and then we're going to do the same exact thing down at the bottom here. You can see the holes are a little bit easier to access on this one. All right, so now we've got these two pieces removed, ready to store. And then we've got one more piece to remove from here. Okay, so those are off. We're gonna now look at the bottom of this guy, and there's this little hole here. Again, we're gonna use our little cable and put it in here. And that just lets us pop this piece off. So far so good. Next, we're just gonna open this handle underneath here, and then we can just pull this whole kind of half moon shaped thing straight out. Put these off to the side, and now we're pretty much done. This is disassembled. I like to kind of stack everything together. And because they all have that kind of half moon type of design, they all kind of stack nicely into this reasonably compact package. You can shrink wrap this if you want to, especially if you're going to store it in the garage. But I'm personally just going to go ahead and stash it here in the closet. And it's pretty compact once it's all folded up. So that's how we disassemble the Mamaroo swing. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.